Get behind that tree. Get behind that tree, bro. You gotta get into cover, bro.
Right.
Just keep an eye on him. No. You get right there. I'll move in. I'll move in here. Edward, to our right.
Hey Victor, there's one right there by where I got him out.
Yeah.
He's in already. Oh shit, hit!
I got you.
Hit!
I got you right now. Hold on.
Yeah.
Can you medic him?
Hey Victor, yeah, can I get medic?
Wait, ask that guy if he can medic you.
Hey, can one of you guys medic me? Just come right in front of me, dude. Just walk right in front of me.
No, behind you. Whoever medics him, lay down behind him.
Where's your bandages?
Ah, shit. Hey, Vicky, you got a bandage?
Damn it, Edward.
I got one.
So what do I have to do?
Wait, give me your arm. So, pretty much.
This guy moving right.
Load your mags up. I got 4 more mags. So you take the rest of those.
You can get medic one more time. Shit. You can get medic one more time.
Do they have to respawn right now?
No. Are you fair? Once I finish tying this, you'll be good for. You can die one more time, and then you'll have to bleed out for 5 minutes, and then you'll go back down the hill to respawn.
Come on, pop back out. Come on.
Get back in play. Come back in play.
Edward, you see that metal thing right here?
Get the fuck out of here, bitch. We got one behind that. Got another one out, baby.
Good shit, Edward.
Got him. Woo! Hey.
We don't have a saw, but we have rate of fire over here. There's fucking ants here, man. Fucking ants.
Hey, Vicky, I need to move out of here, dude.
We gotta back up, right?
Hell yeah, let's back up a little.
You back up.
Alright, dude, backing up. Got that over the radio?
Guys in the trailer down?
I hit somebody down there by the telephone pole, but I don't know how many.
There's some guy over here in the white building taking off and he's heading over
Oh shit, fucking thorns. Oh. Can't see shit. Fuck. Fucking shit. Peek out again, peek out please. Hey Victor, where are you? Okay.
Fuck yeah.
Come on, cheater.
Back up, dude. Okay.
Got one.
Hell fucking yeah! Hell fucking yeah!
Edward, I got one in the building. Crack house. You raising your hand? Yeah, he's hit. Fucking call that shit, man.
Wow! Yeah! Where do you want that smoke, Dylan? Where do you want that smoke? Road.
Fuck.
You want to go shooting? Yeah. Ready? One, two,
I'm hitting the fucking wall.
let it billow, let it billow.
Edward, move up to me now.
Let's fucking push up! Fucking go! Fucking go! Hit! Ow, fuck!
Fuck.
Motherfucker.
There's one in Crack House. Get your head down.
Oh man, that hurt like a mother.
Element, this is Alpha 6, be advised, once you hear the admin yell incoming on that left flank, that is immediately going to clear that.
Fuck, hit. Ow, fuck, hit. Hit. Fucking hit. Fucking hit.
I got you guys right now. Dad, are you good?
Yeah.
Can you medic that guy right next to you?
Okay, it's not worth it. How was that? Didn't was that fine?
Hold on, bro. Hold on. No, don't do it. There's guys to our left and to our right. Not to our right, I mean to our...
Do you know where they're at?
They're at Crack House. There's one guy peeking out through the right window where the entry closest to us is. Got ants all over. Huh?
Is it the window or that door?
The window.
The window?
But it's like a doorway too, yeah, because it has some cover in front of it. Let me see if he's still there. Yup. Yup, he's in there. I could take him out though. Don't worry about those guys. I'm getting them out right now. They're just cheating. Dad, get yourself down. Get yourself down. They saw you. They saw you. They saw you right now.
Shooting over here, huh?
Yeah, they're shooting over here now. Let me see. I can take them out. I can take them out. Did you? I got. Don't talk. Don't talk. Don't talk. I got you, Dad. I got you. I got you, Dad. You can't use your own bandages for yourself. Hey.
Yeah.
Oh, es que estaba ahí en el...
Yeah, no, but don't tell me until you're back in.
Would it be cheating? Oh no.
It'd be cheating if a dead man is talking. Other than yelling medic or I'm hit, you are We're hit!
Hit!
I got you. Hold on. Just quit moving your arm.
Hey, Erasmo, can you get a little bag, dude?
You're good. Hey, just stay here.
Can you get a little bag?
If you can medic those guys, or did you already do it? Just let them respawn. Don't waste your bandages, because I only have one left. How much do you have left? One, right?
Uno nomás, ahorita no ando...
Save them. Yes, let's save them for each other, alright? We gotta push up. Hey! Edward!
Yeah.
What do you say we take the crack house? I'll give you sniper support, and once you push in there, at least to the wall.
No, dude, I'm not CQB.
I am.
So come with me. Let's both take over that.
The thing is that they're shooting through the cracks. The thing is, if I can get somewhere where I can shoot them, and just keep doing that, we're good.
How about we go through here? You go with your pistol. We'll just go through here. I'll go out of.
Shoot.
Oh hell yeah! We're taking over the fucking.
Wait, are those friendlies in crack house? Let me check. Oh, I'm so sorry. Can you move? Thank you. Hey, this is my sniping spot right here. They haven't even seen me yet. There's... Let me see if the guy's gone. The guy's gone. Let me check tower real quick.
Where's my red bag?
Tower's clear. Edward, you're right, dude. It looks pretty clear from here. Let me make sure the guys on the left are friendlies.
Yeah. Just like...
That's an admin. Oh shit, get down. Get down. The BBs are like really... Gotta move. That guy's friendly. The guys on the left are friendly.
Okay, let's move in.
Hold on, they're still in crackheads though. We gotta be careful. Look, Dad, are you gonna stay here?
Yeah.
No.
Yeah. That's perfect.
He's CQB. Yeah, hey, your rifle's meant for this. Come on. We're taking crack house. Come on.
Hey, Biggie, oh shit, dude, be careful.
They just got our guy.
Let's go in there, come on.
Dad, come on.
Hey, Biggie, we need to go right now.
I got 3 Thunderbees. Come on. We can clear that crack house ourselves.
Let's go, dude.
Crack house right there. Look. Okay, here's the plan. One by one, we're gonna move up to this tree right there. We're gonna cover the others. All right, I'll move first since I have a sniper.
Ready? Go.
I'm good.
Becky, I'm moving up.
Go.
Beck, am I here?
I can't see anyone, so yeah. All right. Get behind me. Good shit, bro. All right, you're next. Wait. Hold on, I'll tell you when. Hold on, not yet. I'm gonna move up under this tree in the shade so I can snipe him, all right?
And I'll move up under this tree.
Hold on. Go. Good job. That was close. Edward, we gotta push up like right now, dude. Yeah. I saw that. I heard. Good job.
Let's go, Vicky. Come on, dude.
Hey, come on. We're gonna take it.
Oh, shit, they're pushing up. Hell yeah, friendly, dude. Come on.
Friendlies are pushing.
Push up another one. You're good, dude. You're good. Push up another one.
Move it. Good shit, Edward.
You're good. Thunder be that hole. Thunder be that hole.
All right, hey,
Is that ours? Move in there! Get in the crack house! Get in the crack house. Just run for it, run for it.
Becky, we are good and engaged. Whenever you're ready, bro. Whenever you're ready.
Where's my sniper? Get in the crack house, get in the crack house. Come on, bro, we're gonna take this shit from here, dude. Perfect.
Hey, Vicky, right here.
I got one right here.
Right here in front of you. You could get a lot of them right here.
Fuck,
Hey.
hold on.
Dude, right here. Look at the trees, dude.
No, wait, there's a guy right here, though. Fucking missed.
Vicky, they're pushing.
No, there's a guy in this building.
Woo! Little bitch. Damn, dog, I'm going fucking crazy. Feels badass when you get a lot of them, huh?
Hell yeah.
Woo!
Got a little bitch moving. Hold on.
Get that motherfucker, bro.
Let's go, bro. They're gonna get back in. Come on. Get behind this truck. Get behind this truck. You hit? Are you hit? I got you. I'll fall back. Don't tell me where you got hit from.
Get down. Yo tengo uno aquí, güey. One more and I'm out, right?
Yeah.
You know, let's just...
You're good.
Hey, alright, he's right here. And go up right here.
Right here?
Yeah.
You got that shit? I'm gonna get behind the truck again, alright? I'll give you sniper support. Moving on the left! Far left! Far left! Guys in the crack house! Watch your far left in the woods!
Hey, Victor, they're pushing up right here! Victor, they're pushing up right here.
I see them.
They're pushing through the road.
Wait till they get into range. Don't let them know your position. Get in here.